Hi, sixth graders. I wanted to make a video for you to remind you how to submit assignments on Canvas. I've had several questions. I will be sending this out on my Friday email. I can include it on our Monday email, and I will also have it on my Canvas page too. So if you are completing something like your one pager or your quick writes, make sure you are in that assignment first. So over here on the right side on my to-do list, again, I'm in student view, so hopefully this looks familiar to you. I'm going to click on my COVID-19 one-pager assignment. When it opens up, you'll see on this assignment, I've included a video of what to do as well as some of your instructions, those types of things. But once your assignment is done and you are ready to turn it in to me, you will click on Submit Assignment at the top. Then when this box comes up, you want to go to Google Drive. And right now, since I'm in student view, it will not let me connect my Google Drive, but then this should show all of the assignments you have on your Google Drive. And there should be a search bar that comes up here. You can type in the name of the assignment that you made. So in this case, I might type in COVID-19 one-pager, and I can attach it there. Then I would need to scroll down. There would be another blue button down here that says Submit. It would show up again with the name of your assignment, and you would need to submit it again. And then typically by that point, it might load or have an extra box that pops up where you might need to click OK. After you have done that, you should see in this top right corner, sorry, I'm trying to point at my screen with my finger. Not going to work very well. In the top right corner where you see me making a circle with my mouse, you should eventually see a green check mark and it should say submitted. That means I now have it turned into me. So if you have any more questions on how to turn in an assignment, please feel free to message me through Canvas or by email. Many of you also have my Google Voice number where you could text or call me there as well. Hopefully this video helps.